Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically share your server link and put it in your TikTok profile. So you're just going to select the create invite here or invite people up here. Then you are going to go here. You can edit invite link and then select no limit and then expire after never. Generate a new link and then copy it and then paste it in your TikTok bio, and that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.